it time for your breakfast? Sit. Okay, you're already doing that. Down. Try again.
Look at my happy guy. Oh, just a happy guy. Oh, just a look at that happy. Oh, that.
This is my dog. His name is Admiral Cabbage von Slobbernoggin. When he eats his food and leaves a hole like that in the bottom of it, he sits and whines and waits for somebody to come and fill it for him like by doing that. And now he'll eat his food.
Senna, put the cat down! Senna, put her down! It's not funny! Senna, drop the cat now! Senna! Senna, leave her alone. Leave her alone. Are you crazy?
What? Baby, don't. What's in your mouth? Don't you dare chew it. Don't you dare chew it. What is in your mouth? You're not falling asleep. What is in your mouth? Show Papa right now. You're not, baby. Show me what's in your mouth right now.
Alright boys, I have these treats for you. You just have to wait to eat them until I get back, okay? Alright, be right back. Oh, service dog reject.
A dog has no use for fancy cars or big homes or designer clothes. A waterlogged stick will do just fine. A dog doesn't care if you're rich or poor, clever or dull, smart or dumb. Give him your heart, and he'll give you his.
Good job, Benny.
How many people can you say that about? How many people can make you feel rare and pure and special? How many people can make you feel extraordinary?